it's really bright. Oh my god, lighting's going funny. Hello everyone, so today I am filming a new video. So I've got a bit of a different background just because I can't really be bothered to put my tripod up. That sounds really bad, but I'm not gonna lie, I couldn't be bothered. This is like a very quick intro, it's not a full-on video, so today I'm going to be filming my room tour. I have been so excited to film this video for you guys because even like my friends were asking me and stuff because they want to know what my room looks like and stuff, but only recently I've managed to get everything in place. In case you didn't know, I have moved recently, so yeah, that is why I'm doing a room tour. This room's a little bit smaller, but honestly I love it so much more than my old room because I had been wanting to redecorate my old room for absolutely ages because I just grew out of that dark turquoise bluey kind of colour, and I'm not gonna lie, I hated it. So yeah, I was so excited to have this room, have it all fresh. I'm not gonna lie, one thing that I do want to do hopefully at some point, but it's so much effort to take everything down again and stuff, is paint my walls. I'd love them all to be white, and then my back wall where my photos are over here, like a grey with like glitter specks in. If you've watched Fabulous Hands video, room tour video, then she did that and it looked amazing. Yeah, I'm not doing that at the moment, so yeah, this is just a little room tour of what my room looks like. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Let's get on with the video. Okay guys, so this is my room, so I will open the door and show you what it looks like. Right, where do I even start? Okay, I'm gonna start just behind my door. So I have got a what's it called, hooks like across the back of my door. I got this from the range, in case you're wondering. But yeah, I just have a few hoodies on here, like a little jacket thing, and some like dressing gowns and stuff over here. And then down here I have got my messy section. I really need a shoe rack, but I don't know where I'm going to put the shoe rack. So at the moment all my shoes are kind of cluttered underneath my wardrobe, just behind my door, and I've also got some more inside my wardrobe that I don't really use. Then I have got to my wardrobe. So in case you didn't know, at my last house I had a walk-in wardrobe kind of thing, so we didn't actually have any wardrobes when we like moved in. So this actually came with the house because they had, like, they didn't need their wardrobes basically, so we bought them off them. So that is why it doesn't fit in with the white theme of my room, but hey. So the wardrobe's just like a basic wardrobe. It's got a shelf up here which I've just got a load of bags on, really cluttered, and then I've got all my clothes which barely fit in, but we'll roll with it. Then down here I've got all my old teddies which I just still have in the bag from when I moved because obviously I don't use them, and I used to just shove them in my wardrobe anyway. These are the shoes that I don't really wear very much, and I've also got a blanket here too, and that is pretty much it for inside the wardrobe. And up above my wardrobe, as you can see, I have got a whole bunch of board games. I've also got some like decoration things up here. So at the moment I have all my autumn stuff out, but that's like the spring kind of summery decorations that I have up here. And I also have my MacBook Air box because it wouldn't fit under my bed, so yeah. Next to my wardrobe I have got my studio lights because again I have no idea where to put them, so yeah. On the side of my wardrobe I have just got my bridesmaid dress from my sister's wedding just hanging up here, and my prom dress behind. So yes, I don't really know what to do with them, so if you have any ideas of what to do with them, let me know. And I have got this. This is the IKEA like 8 shelf unit thing. In my other house I had it the other way round, but yeah, I love it like this. So yeah, here I have got another bit of a mess. I've got my Xbox, but I don't use it at the moment, so I haven't set it up properly, so it's just in there. I also have some Instax camera refill things. This is a thing that you put like pads in for when you're on your period. Bring it to college, great. I've also got a candle here without a candle in, brilliant. And below here I've got some of my favourite books. Well, this isn't like my favourite, this is just, it's signed by Johnny Vegas, how great. This is my favourite book, The Start of Me and You. It is so good. And I've got some small tripods here. Actually though, this is my actual tripod, but it's like compacts down. I'm so sorry about my voice, I've got a bit of a cold. And then up here I've got my Victoria's Secret bag because I think it looks cute, and I've got my bridesmaid bouquet here. It's actually made out of maps. How cool is that? It's so cool, so I get to keep that. I've got this little tatty teddy love thing and this little egg thing that just like opens and you can put stuff in it. I can't open it though. And then I've kept 2 of these boxes. The other 2 I've compacted down under my bed, and in here I have got like summery stuff. So I've got shorts, I've got bikinis, swimming costumes, and I've got like cover-ups, so that's just in there. And then in this one I've got pyjamas and workout stuff, and yeah, that's about it in there. Then in this one I've got random stuff again. So this is like my little memory jar. In case you guys didn't know, I always put like memory bits in here. This is a random mug with some pegs in. We've got some pins for my old pin board, although I now don't use a pin board, but you know. And I've got some paper clips and these little, what do you even call them? Who knows? Beauty and the Beast cup thing. Again, I've got another random basket. I've got some bath products in there, I've got some sunglasses in here and some chargers in there too, so yep, very random. A candle, and then here I have got some more books which I love, and L plates. Oh, I don't think I'm going to be using these because I don't think I'm actually going to get a car until I've passed my tests, so you know. We come to this top part. So over here I've got some Victoria's Secret sprays and my Zoella Beauty spray. I've got this little picture here from my sister's wedding, and I've got my little light up box that says Floral Brunette, a candle, and this is actually like a jewellery holder thing, but I don't actually use it for that, it just looks cute. I've got a Shawn Mendes calendar here, this little random love heart thing here, my TV which is on the wall, so excuse the wires, it looks a bit messy but it's great. Then this is my little random section. So I've got my Instax camera, I've got my lamp that doesn't actually have a plug nearby, so can't actually use it, it's just there for decoration, but you know. We've got some little pine cone decoration thing here, candle, deodorant, Sour Patch watermelons which are amazing, some Strepsils. I've got some products under there that I need to review for you guys that a company kindly sent me. And then I've got Zoe's new book which actually came yesterday, it's The Quarterly Invited, signed. Yeah, I'm so excited to read this, it looks amazing. That is pretty much that section. And here I've also got some random like photos and stuff that I don't know what to do with, so yeah. And then I have got my windowsill here. So I've got some autumn flowers here which I've recently swapped out, and they're just in an IKEA skewer pot. And I've also put some like gravel in there, which is how they're like standing up. And then I've got my Zoella lifestyle calendar thing, Zoella Lazy Days candle. I've got some fairy lights stringing across it, and these are like little bits that I picked up from like holidays and stuff. And this is my little table thing at my sister's wedding. On here we have got just a little bag thing from the University of Suffolk when I went to visit that. We have got some UGG slippers, and then we've got my dressing table which is pretty much the same as my other place, so there's not really a lot to go through. I have got brushes, just a lot of clutter really, some rings and stuff, perfumes, my No. 7 mirror, candle. This is actually new because my old dressing table stool actually broke, so this is from the range in case you were wondering. In here I've got skincare bits and stuff like that. I've got a little bin under here and they're just my straighteners. And we have got this section of my room which is really cute. Sorry, it went out of focus. So yeah, there's a little overview. Here I've just got, this is actually full of wee stuff because I want to eventually have that downstairs, so you know. I've got my sliders, my camera case, and this is my bed. You know, I've got some Primark pillows, my little teddies, and I've got these, what are they called? autumn leaves across my bed, which I got from Amazon, with some fairy lights as well. These 3 prints are from Desenio. I got the frames of them as well, which are just the rose gold ones. My bed does actually lift up, and I've just got a whole bunch of clutter, so we won't even look at that. But yeah. Oh my god, I've just hit my head. Ow, I think I've just pulled all my hair out. This is my light, it did come with that. I did just whack my head on it, so there we go. Here we've got some more random stuff. This actually has old school books in it, but again, I didn't know where to put it. And I've just got my laptop on top of there, and also a photo album. Don't know why. Got my bedside table. I've just got a book that I'm reading at the moment on here. My lamp, which is from Sainsbury's. You can just tap that and stuff. By the way, if I forget to mention where anything's from and you want to know, just let me know in the comments and I will reply. Again, these are my little photos from Desenio. So cute. So in here I just have underwear, socks, bras, a random fan. Over here on my other windowsill I've got a little mirror here. This did have my cactus in, but my cactus died, so now it's got the little key for my window in. Makeup remover wipes. A fake succulent from IKEA in a little pot. This is actually from Cologne in Germany. It's got a candle underneath, so when you've like got it lit, it kind of glows through. And this is not the date, but we're gonna roll with it. Yeah. And then I've got my Alex 9 drawers. So I've just got my makeup in the top 1, 2, 3, 5 drawers, I think. And then I've got hair products, like medical stuff and pads and things. This is just a whole bunch of skincare stuff, which is really messy. And the bottom one's makeup bags, and this is just, I don't know what to do with this. And I've got this very messy section, which is full of all the stuff that I used to have on my desk, but obviously I don't have a desk anymore, so it's just kind of thrown down here. This is all my tickets and stuff. It's not focusing, brilliant. This is just all my tickets and stuff from concerts and things. So yeah, that is pretty much it. That is my room. Oh, and I also have a mirror here. Hey. So yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Also make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and check out my social media, which will be on the screen now and also down in the description. So make sure to comment any videos that you want to see me do next. I am hoping to do a makeup tutorial and stuff. And yeah, I'm very excited to get some new videos up for you guys and stuff, because I have definitely been slacking. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all very, very soon with a new one. Bye!
I like me better when I'm with you.